Good morning, student. Now we'll come to the chapter 3 HCF and LCM. Under that we'll first do the set 10. It is the revision of the prime numbers and the composite number. Now you know what is the meaning of the prime number? The number which has the factor of 1 and the number itself. So that is called as a prime number. For example, here it is given the 17. What are the factors of 17? It is 1 and the number itself. So 17 is a prime number. 19, what is the factor of 19? 1 and the number itself. So that is 19 is a prime number. Now if you take 8, what are the factors of 8? It is 1, 2, 4 and 8. 8 is not a prime number. 8 is a composite number. Similarly for 14, it is a composite number. So it is not a prime number. So the prime numbers are that which has the factor itself. 1 and the number itself. So that is a prime number. So it is said which is number is neither a prime nor a composite. So that is 1. Now which of the following pairs are the co-prime numbers? What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? When you find out the factor between the two numbers, it should come 1 as a common factor. Then it is called as a co-prime. Now 8 and 14 are not the co-prime number. 4 and 5 are the co-prime number because the common factor it is 1. 27 and 15, these are not the co-prime number because the common factors are 1 and the 3. Between 17 and 19, these are the co-prime number because the common factor it is 1. Now it is said list the prime number from 25 to 100. How many are there? Now there are 16 prime numbers from 25 to 100. Here it is given 29 because the factor of 29 it is 1 and 29. It is 1 and the number itself. So these are the prime numbers. Now what is the meaning of twin prime numbers? The difference between the two numbers should be 2. So it is asked from 51 to 100 you have to find. So it is 59, after 59 60 61, so that difference it is 2, then 71 and then 73. Now between these two the common factor is 1 but the difference should be the difference between the two numbers should be 2. So this is the meaning of twin prime numbers. Next it is the question it is write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 15. I have shown some examples. It is there 3 and 5. Now between the 3 and 5 the difference it is 2. What is the factor of 3? 1 and 3. What is the factor of 5? 1 and 5. So what is a common? 1 is common. So these are the twin prime numbers 5 and 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19, 29 and 31. 41 and 43. So these are called as the twin prime numbers where the difference between the two numbers should be 2 and the common factor should be 1. Now which are the even prime numbers? So that is 2. So 2 is the even prime number. Now next it is you have to factorize the following numbers into prime. So factorization by the prime factor method, this is the meaning. So 32, how to factorize it? So this I have shown. 32 goes in the table of 2. Yes. So 2 it will come as what? 2 16s are 32. Correct? Then afterwards 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. So in the method of prime factor method, how to write 32? So that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 because 2 is a prime number. So this is the last answer. 32 factorized by the prime factor method. So like this you have to do. Now next it is there asked about 57. So 57, so it goes in the table of 3 and then 19. So this is there. You can see set 11. In the set 11 it is given. Then 23, it is 23 into 1. Then 150, so that I have shown you. So that is it goes in the table of 2. 75 is 150. Then it goes in the table of 3. 75 goes in the table of 3. 325 is then 5 5 is then 5 1 is then at the end 150. What are the factors of 150? So that is by the prime factor method. 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. So this is called as factorize into prime. Next it is 216. So here I have shown you at the end you have to write this. You can do by this method also and you can do by this method also. Which one is easier for you? In that way you can do. Next it is 208. So I have done it is 2. 1s are 2, then 0, 2 4s are 8, then afterwards 2 52s are 104, then 2 26 जा, then 2 13 जा, then 13 1 जा. At the end, what are the factors of the 208? That is factorized into prime. So that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13. Okay, and the remaining I am not shown. This I think it is understood to you. Now next we come to the highest common factor. What is the meaning of highest common factor? The largest or the greatest factor common to any two or the more given natural number is termed as HCF, or you can say as GCD. Example, it is given. Now what are the factors of 4? 2 multiplied by 2, prime factor. What are the factors of 6? So that is 3 multiplied by 2. In between these two, which is a common? 2 is common. So highest common factor it is 2. Now we move to the next. It is, so this is set, it is given. Here the set 12 it is given. I have shown one more example. If 3 numbers are given, okay, 12 it is here. So what are the prime factor? That is 2 into 2 into 3. You have to write like this. Then 9 it is 3 into 3. Then 18 will be like this. So what is the HCF in between these 3? Which is a common? 3 it is common. So that you have to write. You can't write 2 as a common because 2 is only common to only 2 numbers, not to this to 9. So you can't write that. HCF means it should be common to all the numbers, all the given numbers. So that is 3. Now next it is find the HCF of 25 and 40. You can do by this method or you can do by this method. By doing this method, you know which is common now. 5 is common, so HCF is 5. This is called as a vertical arrangement. By doing this method, you have to choose such number. It should be divisible by both. So 25 and the 40. It comes in which table? So 5. So you have to take as 5, and after that you can't continue further because 5 is a prime number but 8 is a composite number. You can't do that. So this is the HCF. Next is 56 and 32. First it goes in the table of 2. Both the numbers 56 and 32 are divided by 2. Then 28 and 16, these are divisible by 2. Then 14 and 8, these are divisible by 2. You can't move further because 7 is a prime number. Here you have to stop. So what is the HCF? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So that is 8. Here also by this method you can do which is a common in these two numbers. 3 2s are common. So like this you have to multiply and write as 8. In the similar way you have to do for the remaining sums also. So with this we finish with the set 12. The question number 2 it is remaining. Find the HCF by division method. So that we'll do afterwards.